Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Tecno Pova 6 Pro, and let me share with you how to add the photo to contact in this device. So let's start with opening your contact list, for example with the usage of the dialer. Then find the contact you'd like to edit and tap on it. And tap on this edit icon in the right upper corner, so this pencil icon. Now let's choose the contact to edit, and let me quickly remove the photo. So this is what you will see after entering the contact without any kind of photo site. So now let's simply tap on the circle, and you can either take a photo and then your device will open the camera app, or choose a photo from the gallery, and I will pick this option. And all we have to do is to find the photo we would like to use and tap on it. And right now in this area, in this section, in this step, you can change the size of this highlighted square. You can also change the position of it, and thanks to this you can decide what you will see after saving the whole contact, because basically this square is responsible for it. So position it just like you want to, and then tap on this check icon in the right upper corner. This is how our photo will look like after applying. So if you're happy with the results, tap on this save icon in the right upper corner, and here we've got our contact. Of course, you will be able to see the photo on the contact list, and for example during all incoming calls from that number. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.